Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. Check out this Lutron Caseta dimmer switch.
This dimmer switch is awesome. We absolutely love it. It works with Alexa, Apple, or Google Assistant, and it is a great way to be able to easily adjust the lighting in your home. So you can easily push the button to dim or brighten your lights, turn them on and off, and the switch itself looks really clean, modern, and it's very pretty. I also love that you can use an app from your phone to also change the lighting. The app has a lot of features and also allows you to create scenes or groups of lighting. It also allows you to set up different rooms, and it gives you the option to do things on timers or other automated settings to automatically dim your lights at a certain time, turn them on or off, which is really nice too if you go out of town. You can also easily use your voice commands.
Okay, Google, turn off living room lights. Okay, Google, turn living room lights on 50%.
So we really appreciate that these dimmers are easy to install, easy to use, and have a ton of functions that make your life easier.
So I've been really happy with the upgrade of these dimmers and would definitely recommend them. And that's my point of view.